Hello, hello. I thought I would share with you how I get my everyday blowout. Start with juice, vitality spray. Next, a little cocktail, embellish foam. I do 2 pumps right at the root. I follow with embellish styling cream, just a little bit. Scrunch it in. I go in with the StyleDryer. First, off with its head, and I do a rough dry. Okay, rough dry is done, and I sectioned it, top section, bottom section, and I'm using the smaller head because I'm gonna do curls. So, here we go. So I've given it some lift and some loose shape, and it's all dry on the bottom. Now I'm gonna give it a spray with some Stratosphere hairspray, just so that that bottom layer will stay. I'm gonna start with my bangs, and I do those on low because it's a little breaky there. So now, like I did with the bottom layer, I'm going to spray the top layer and then let it cool. And run my fingers through those curls. It took one step with the StyleDryer, and I'm done. I'll put on a face and out the door. See ya.